It's that time again, and Coleman and Pagey are about to be given another ordinary household appliance. They have 48 hours to try and make it bigger, better, faster and stronger.
Hey, juicers.
Oh, I have never ever used one. Honest truth.
You joking?
No, I just find them completely pointless. Have you run a stopwatch on how long it's taking you to get the stuff out, chop it up, put it in the thing,
I know.
pour it into the glass? It has to sit there while you clean the thing.
I know.
Otherwise...
You have perfectly hit on what's wrong with juicers.
Yeah.
Orange juice is better for you than beer and is also more suitable at breakfast time. You have the weekend to make the juicer bigger, better, faster, stronger. On Sunday, you'll be challenged to see who can make 200 mils of orange juice in the shortest time possible. Good luck.
It's time for the guys to pick their teams from a lineup of experts, all of whom will be helpful to the build, except one, the wild card, who probably won't be helpful at all. This week, there is a welder, a rotary enthusiast, a mechanical engineer, a roboticist, and the wild card, a salsa dancer.
This man here looks like he could be very useful for something. And he will be a very good asset to my team. A salsa dancer.
Wow.
Welcome to Team Coleman.
To see how it's all going to get done and to use the tools. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm really excited about it.
You, sir.
Right.
Step forward. Let's see what you've got under there. Roboticist, yes.
Roboticist.
I'm an expert in biologically inspired robots, and I work at Massey University. We're developing some underwater robots of low power use.
I'm going for lean, live, healthy-looking individuals. I'm going for this man here, who lives on juice and mechanical engineer.
That's pretty good.
Awesome. Welcome to Team Coleman.
I can weld and fabricate, and I do a certain amount of design, so I think that'll be quite useful.
Gentleman with the moustache, step forward. You're a welder, yes. Trump card.
Well done.
Team Pagey.
You name it, I can pretty much weld it. Yep, I'm your man.
Let's see who we missed out on. Oh, rotary enthusiast.
That's good.
Would have been useful.
Good luck, Coleman.
Pagey.
Enjoy the salsa.
Right, guys.
I keep it kind of tidy.
Their weekend starts now. The teams need to develop something that can make 200 mils of orange juice in the shortest time possible. The first thing to figure out, how many oranges?
200 mils of orange juice.
That's not very much, is it? I think it's 12 oranges to do a litre or something.
I like your style already, you know that?
Well, we could put an industrial motor on here and replace the motor with something bigger and faster, and we'll get more power out of it.
But you still end up with the rubbish, eh? You still,
Yes. Yeah,
it's still a matter of going, you know, like that.
No, what if you just got a whole
That's good, isn't it?
freaking drum of oranges? If we can spin it fast enough, or we can shake it fast enough, or we can drop it, or whatever we've got to do to make it just go boom.
I think we've got to keep sort of crushing it, rolling it over. See
What's
how we
that
get
thing
on.
they use to make gravel? They use the, what's that technique? The
Rumbler.
A rumbler.
Can we make an orange rumbler? I like the name of that
Sounds like a
too.
drink.
Can we get a slug and actually fire it down the barrel like an explosion?
I like that idea.
Yeah,
explosion, just explosion.
So essentially,
like a big cannon or gun.
yeah. So you make a gun that you block one end off, and you put the orange in the blocked off end, and you fire a great bullet at it,
Yes.
and then out that end comes the juice.
Yeah, I like that.
Bang, quick,
Cool.
juice, instant juice, and slightly dangerous as well, which I quite like. Fantastic. Yeah.
We probably need some like set of wheels here, kind of wheels here, but the axles are going kind of through along that way.
Pagey's team have designed a roller juicing system. They propose to take a regular plastic drum and mount it on a steel frame. They then plan on attaching an electric motor to drive a rubber belt around the drum to spin it quickly. By adding rocks, they hope to pulverise the oranges inside the drum and make a sort of rocky juice.
And once we set the charge, that will break this.
Break that.
And then
Pulverises the
down.
orange.
Coleman's team will harness the power of gunpowder. They will take a steel barrel and put solid caps on each end with a hole to drain the juice in the bottom one. A steel piston is held in place by a sacrificial pin. A gunpowder charge is placed above the piston. When this is ignited, it will fire the piston, breaking the pin and firing it downwards towards the orange. They will need to drill exhaust holes, otherwise they'll have a bomb on their hands. It's shopping time, and the teams write up a list of all the parts they'll need for their designs.
It's a detonator charge, so we'll set that off with a battery.
Great. OK, Chris.
Chris, from Pagey's team, is the first one out. Pagey is stoked.
All right, good. Gonna be fast. Brilliant. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Tony, the mechanical engineer, has pulled shopping duties and is out quickly behind Pagey's team.
See you when you get back.
Time to wait, and Coleman's wife will be happy that he gets to brush up on some skills with his salsa dancing teammate.
Here, you gotta look at me. Yeah? Huh? It's a sexy dance, so you gotta look at me. Huh? That's it, yeah.
Ready? What am I being?
A drill sergeant.
It's Pagey's team back first, but Coleman seems unperturbed. He's learned that his hips don't lie, and he doesn't care who knows it.
Sort of like a, like this.
We can either drive it by turning this axle here.
Yeah.
Drive it with this baby.
Okay.
Oh, nice, man.
Got a little motor.
Where'd you steal that from?
One more, and here we go. With this hand, turn me in, that's it, there, and drop.
All of this might be just a little easier with a woman, though.
Oh, truck.
Finally, Tony arrives back with the stuff for Coleman's team.
Tony, good man. Awesome. A little bit late, but that's all right. We were all right. There, you came back a little while ago.
They waste no time in cutting up their parts and getting on with the job, working on their barrels and drilling holes to act as gas vents. If the gas gets trapped, it could cause an explosion.
I don't know. Do you think the stones and the whatever we put in there is going to
I'm not
mash
altogether
it?
sure.
We
I
should
think
test that.
we should test it, really, eh?
It's time for Pagey's team to perform their first rudimentary test, trying to squeeze juice from an orange.
Woo!
Oranges in the hole.
Yeah, put them in. Nice. Seal it up. Let's do it. Let's do it.
They take a less than scientific approach, rolling their plastic drum on the ground, then throwing it off a cliff.
Yes!
It's a beautiful thing.
Wow, just watch out for loose bits, man. And, look, it's bent its frame. You ready?
Go.
Release, but might go with orange juice, a geyser. Hey, watch out.
He loves his work.
No, there's one burst.
That's
One.
split.
No, look, one. One burst, and look, it's full of broken river stones.
We ended up sort of like splitting a couple of oranges, but other than that, it was a bit disappointing, but it was kind of fun.
Okay.
But look, there's still juice in them.
Yeah.
Okay, so will that...
This is not working.
Nah.
I think once gravity took over, they were in suspended animation inside the barrel, I think. When it hit the ground, not a lot happened.
I think we need to replace river stones with spinning ninja blades of doom.
With their first test a complete failure, they head back to the shed to try and realise Pagey's incredibly well thought out concept of adding ninja blades. Coleman's team aren't mucking around and are knee-deep in sparks and smoke, building stabilising legs for their gun barrel.
Now, can we get it out of the shed, though?
Yeah, that's a good point, actually.
The teams are working on their juicers, trying to make something that can squeeze 200 mils of orange juice in the shortest time possible. After an early test, Pagey's team have decided to start from scratch, but are keeping the blue barrel they're also fond of.
The new design, we'll be applying pressure to the orange. We'll be rolling the orange over, but also we'll be dragging a whole pile of small, sharp sort of blades past the orange. So the orange will be shredded and squashed at the same time as being rolled over. What I need to do is find some, like, deck plate or something, you know? Do you want to hold that for a while? And I'll see you guys in a minute.
Thanks.
Chris heads off to get the materials needed for their new plan, while the other two stay back and continue building.
You don't mess around, eh? You're fast.
One more.
Chris takes to the drop saw with relish, while in the other shed, Giancario, the salsa dancer, is struggling.
I've been cutting this metal log thing for quite some time. It was just going and going and going. Never saw an end to it, really.
You're never going to get through that. That's fantastic. Giancarlo.
With the piston finally cut, Coleman's team want to see if it does what it's meant to, smash oranges.
Hold it there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Go. Oh, yeah. How far is that? Beautiful. Well, we should probably check out the explosive charge, I suppose. Yeah.
But, like any invention, Coleman understands that explosives can only make it better.
An exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Very good. Good idea.
He tests the gunpowder that will spark and add expulsion to their piston. He knows it works. He's just keen to set fire to something.
No.
What do you reckon it would do to an orange?
Let's find out, eh?
In the shed next door, Paigey and Chris have a grinding race as they hurry to finish their prototype in time.
We've got to hurry.
Man, you're fast. I can't match your skill.
Coleman's team are ready for their first proper test, and things are tense as the ignition wires are tied together.
Power on. On.
Red light's on.
Yeah.
No.
Any juice? Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, it was cool.
In the shed next door, there's more sparks in the face for Paigey, but he's in too good a mood to let that bother him. Chris the welder is really proving his worth.
Oh, mate, I'm just stoked how fast this thing can come together. Nice. Oh. Mate, you came back.
Chris is back with some tread plate, and they get straight into cutting and fixing it to their barrel.
It's good. Be careful going up the stairs outside now, but...
Slippery. Try and keep a straight line if you can.
Yeah, it's because you guys are watching. Oh, I'm on the line.
Oh, that'll probably be fine, actually.
Good. Yep, bring it, chuck it out here because I don't want it
With
to
the
make
tread plate fixed, Paigey's team are keen to see if it will actually tear the oranges apart.
Grab your utensils, boys. Okay, can you hold that? Now, visors down.
Visors down.
On!
Did a partial test. We were just putting oranges up against the abrasive band inside. As soon as the orange caught on it, it just ripped it out of our little holders that we had.
All right, good work. Be careful.
With newly improved metal orange shredders, the drum appears to be doing the job it was designed for.
That works beautifully. That went really well, look at that. It's fantastic. It's going out of control.
What did you lose 10 for gold, Paige?
I can't hear you, sorry, I'm just juicing.
No, where's the juice bit come out?
Oh, it's all filled. Oh, man, hang on, I needed my snorkel. There's so much juice in here. Those are completely husks. The husks. This worked by the pressure, holding the orange on.
We've got to make a big feeding device so we can stack the oranges up and press them against the inside of the drum. So it'll be a bit of work, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it.
It's good. It's healthy.
Okay.
Nice. You get a weld?
Oh, well.
Yep. Great.
While Paigey has been shredding oranges, Coleman's team has been fabricating, and he's ready to take their oversized tripod out to stretch its legs.
Down goes the orange. Fire in the hole. Boom. Skewer. That's it. In goes the piston. Okay, dropping it in. Boom. That's that. Pass me the charge. It's good. Okay, I'm wiring this up now. What do you think?
Happy with that?
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oi! Juice! Look
It's
at
coming
that.
out.
Oh, that's fantastic. How much do you reckon we got there?
We've probably got about 30 mils.
Check it out, though. What colour is it? That's pretty gross. We're going to have to do something about that. We've got some spare pipe.
Yes, yeah, we've got some spare.
How would it be if we made 3 of these, one with an orange in each of them? And then underneath those 3, we ran a sort of a tube, collection
Chamber.
tube.
Yep.
Well, OK, well, obviously we've got heaps of work to do, so let's get this back inside and get on with it.
Coleman's team have paid the price for their explosive hijinks. They're now desperately short of time as they race to construct the additional piping they'll need to create enough juice. They'll also have to learn to put up with the taste of gunpowder. It is the day of the big challenge, and the salsa dancer Giancario is confident about their invention.
Ours is actually going to be the winner one, for sure.
Pagey appears to have used his shorts to test his orange shredder, but his team are hoping that their invention will be more successful than his fashion sense.
I think we're just going to scrape home by a skin of an orange. Theirs might work within a millisecond or 2, but I certainly wouldn't want to drink their gunpowder contaminated juice, that's for sure.
They need to make 200 mils of orange juice faster than the other team, with the adjudicator, stopwatch at the ready, judging as always.
Here we go then. Ready?
Yep.
Stonewash.
Yes. Wins every time.
Good luck, Pagey.
Let's go, boys.
Team Pagey, on your marks, get set, go!
Okay, good. That's out of the way. That's out of the way. Ready, steady by. And load the machine. Go.
Ah, yes.
And power it up.
While the barrel initially turns, there is a slight traffic jam of oranges as the contraption loses momentum suddenly.
That's it.
How many oranges are you going to use?
That's great. That's great.
Pagey's team seem to be going through an inordinate amount of oranges to make a small amount of juice. It's all taking up time.
Oh, kiwi fruit. Chuck some kiwi fruit in there.
Wheatgrass in it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that'll be the last one. Kill the power! Kill the power! Right, get it round, keep it round. Yeah. Okay, you ready? Here we go, pull in the plug. And... Oh, it's like milking a cow. Shake it a bit, shake it a bit.
It's still light. Tip it up. It's like it's just blocking.
Yeah, there it is. This has got pulp in it. It's got heaps of pulp in it, Coleman.
We're gonna do it.
Look at that, and a little bit more, just a little.
Yes.
Walk away. That's it. That's it.
Yes.
Done. Look at that! 200 mil in your face. You ready? Here we go.
Oh, share it. Oh, you drunk it all.
Done.
Oh well.
Pagey's team finish in a reasonable time with their cement mixer-style juicer. Coleman's invention needs to fire if it's going to produce enough juice quickly.
Team Coleman, on your marks, get set, go!
Yeah, let's go.
Come on. Right. OK, orange.
Orange.
Down the hatch. Skewer. Through. Piston. In. OK, let's charge 1.
One barrel is set, but there's still 2 to go.
Down.
Just be really careful with those explosives, eh?
Should we come back later and see how they're getting on?
Orange. Piston, come on. OK, charge.
Loading the oranges and setting the explosive charges is chewing through Team Coleman's time. But finally, they set the glass and prepare to detonate.
Put it in there.
Okay.
Battery, that's off.
Put it on, negative on.
OK, turning
Okay.
on. OK, here we go, men. You ready?
3, 2, 1, fuego! What do we got? What do we got?
Ah!
Jeez.
Yeah!
Oh, what do we got? What do we got?
Come on, more.
They appear to be running out of juice, well short of the desired 200 mils, possibly forgetting the clogging properties of orange pulp.
Oh, it's blocking up in here. I see what's happening. It's blocking up in there. Here we go.
Oh, here it comes.
That's it. Now it was blocking up in the funnel. Oh, look at how much juice we've got! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! We don't need it anymore! Oh, look at that! Oh, now drink it! Yeah! Drink it!
Drink it yourself! He's got to drink it, make him drink it!
Maybe smelling the cordite in the juice or noticing its slightly grey tinge, Coleman is apprehensive about sampling his team's drink.
Yes! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Pouring out the same side now, it's leaking out!
All the way! Yeah! Oh, yeah!
And the gunpowder juice seems to have gone straight to Coleman's head.
That was gunpowder. He just drank gunpowder. That is insane.
Oh, well done. It worked. Man, it was awful. At the back of your shed, you'll find a bit of your guttering missing. We grabbed, it's a huge pond.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Team Pagey made 200 mils of orange and kiwi fruit juice in 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Team Coleman made 200 mils of orange juice in 3 minutes and 12 seconds.
A win for Pagey's team, with a juicer that could go on the shelves tomorrow. Just don't forget your hard hat.